Unlock the full potential of your gasoline or diesel engine with Cerma Ceramic Fuel Treatment. Our STM-3 Fuel Treatment offers a comprehensive solution for cleaning, lubricating, protecting, and enhancing the performance of your engine. Cerma STM-3 Fuel Treatment is designed to lubricate and protect the upper engine, preventing costly downtime and restoring performance. It cleans the fuel tank, injectors, and fuel lines, providing unmatched protection for your engine. And with its anti-gelling properties, it ensures your fuel flows smoothly even in cold weather. Unlike other fuel treatments, Cerma STM-3 Fuel Treatment is a continuous use treatment that releases the lubrication trapped inside fuel molecules. This allows your fuel system to properly lubricate, leading to improved engine efficiency and longevity. But that's not all. Cerma STM-3 Fuel Treatment also contains a special SiC component that lubricates the upper engine, cleans the fuel system, removes water and moisture, conditions the fuel pump, cleans the fuel injectors and tank, and even acts as an octane booster. Applying Cerma STM-3 Fuel Treatment is simple. Just add it to your fuel tank at the recommended ratio of 1 ounce for up to the first 40 gallons, and 1 ounce for each additional 40 gallons. For maximum fuel savings and protection, use it in conjunction with Cerma STM-3 engine treatment. Available in a range of sizes to suit your needs, from a 2 ounces intro dose to a 5-gallon pail for fleet applications, Cerma Ceramic Fuel Treatment offers a cost-effective solution for improving the performance and efficiency of your gasoline or diesel engine. Invest in Cerma STM-3 Fuel Treatment today and experience the difference it can make for your engine.